Hey, this is Sam here from kitchengadgetsclub.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I've got a brilliant one for you in learning how to use your Ninja Foodi 15-in-1. Well, I say 15-in-1, this will work with any of the Ninja Foodies, and that is how to steam broccoli. Broccoli is one of those great everyday vegetables and it's so easy to steam in these gadgets. So grab your gadget out and then you can steam using the air fry basket, or you can use a steamer basket, whichever one you prefer. And then what you need to get started is you need 1 cup of liquid going into your cooking pot, and then add in whatever you're using to cook it in. So I'm using the air fry basket, and then add in your broccoli, medium, small or large florets, whichever size you fancy for dinner. And then we're going to add a seasoning of salt, and then we can get them on. So lid down. So now to steam your broccoli, you want to be going across to steam, and then it'll automatically go for 10 minutes. I find 10 to 15 minutes is the sweet spot for broccoli, but it depends on how big your florets are. And then press start. When you first got a multi-cooker, it's so hard understanding the times and temps and getting the food spot on and cooked perfectly. That's why we've made for you the multi-cooker cooking guide. It features all the main functions of the multi-cooker, from dehydrate to grill to steam roast to steam air fry, pressure cooking, and of course simple everyday air frying. It's perfect for lots of different types of multi-cookers, from Instant Pot users to Ninja Foodi users, Ninja Speedy, air fryer. Even if you've got a flex straw, it's just perfect for so many of them. You'll find the link below in the description and you can pre-order it now. And now let's get back to the video. And we've beeped. So should we check on this broccoli? Though beware, we're likely to have a fair bit of steam. Oh, look at that, broccoli! So we're just going to give it a minute or two for the steam to go, and then I can show you what it's like. Oh, it's amazing. Just check it out. Look at that for broccoli. Doesn't it look fantastic? But here's the thing, this is something that I find really interesting, especially considering a lot of you have got different kitchen gadgets. When I used the Ninja Speedy to do the broccoli, 10 minutes, and it's a lot more done than this. Whilst in this one, the 15-in-1, it takes a little bit longer. So if you are wondering what time to do yours at, I've noticed that 8 minutes is perfect in the Ninja Speedy. But I have done it for 15 minutes as well, which is the standard time I'd do this for if it was large florets. It just depends what you're using it for. If you want it just fork tender, then 10 minutes is the sweet spot in the 15-in-1. As you can see there, I mean, doesn't that broccoli look amazing? And it's just perfect then for seasoning it however you want and having it for dinner. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.